I'm Pat. Pat's Easy Chain System here. We've got a Category 2 here going on a Category 2 tractor. There's two different ball widths, 1.5 inches and 1 3/4 inches. This is 1 3/4 inches. So we supply the Cat 2 with two washers for space. I usually put one on each side. You can do both sides or one side, whichever you prefer. That just keeps it from moving around back and forth on the lift arm. So we'll get started here. Okay, after we get the hitch out of the box, we're going to slide it over the lift arm, put it through the hole. You can see on this particular lift arm, the hitch wants to drop down out here. We like to have it set up fairly parallel with the lift arm. Now it comes with a 1/4 and a 3/8 and a wedge shim. So we're going to insert a shim in the back, just slide it in the back, and to see which one size shim we need. And this particular one here, we're going to combine the two together, the 1/4 and the 3/8 shim. Set it in here, and that's got the lift arm fairly parallel with the hitch. So what I've done, lay these on firm surface, use a hammer, drive the roll pin, and that locks them together. Slide our hitch off. We drop the shims through the hole in the bottom of the hitch. Then we can slide it back on. Okay. Now, installing the washers, I usually lay one in. This could be a little challenging. I just barely start it. Okay, got my pin and everything through. I'm going to slide one in on the other side. Use my finger to push it up, push it in. Here this roll pin goes in this little notch, and this keeps that from rotating. And remember to install your carter key. We also install the pin with the big hole. Stick it on the inside. That's for our linch pin, our stabilizer bar. Okay, now we'll finish installing the rest of our hardware. Okay, here we are. We got our hitch installed on. We got our shim in there. We got our two washers in there to take up the slack. Then we just simply install our bolts here to align the hitch up with the lift arm. And what we're going to do here is okay, now we're going to set our width on our hitches approximately 30 inches. I usually use a broom handle or something. And this way we can just kind of square our hitches up and roughly around 30 inches, give or take a little. And when we just run our, you can also, when we just run our set screws in till we feel them touch the lift arm. Yeah, and this kind of holds our hitch square. We're going to need our 9/16 wrench. Yeah, then we just kind of snug these up a little bit. And they don't have to be super tight. And we can just run our nuts up, lock them down. And we just drop our U-bolt in, put a flat washer and double nut both sides, keeps it from vibrating off. Gotta hold your mouth just right. Put the washer on. Snug these up, we'll be good to go. Okay, we have the latch stop here. That's made to hold the latch open. So if you're taking something on and off by hand, or you're just moving it, this slides around here to hold it in place.